Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Well, I will show you a roadmap how to start this business. Of course, after seeing all the videos, maybe you have maybe you are now confused because of the number of informations in all the videos. So I decided to create this video to show you a clear roadmap how to start your journey in this business. I divided the roadmap to two big sections for a beginner and an advanced. A beginner, how it should start, and an advanced, how will start. If you are a beginner, you need to start by spying on competitors. You will go to Facebook and spy on pages, how they post, why they post, and what they post, and even if they have engagement on their posts or not. So spying is crucial in this business because we don't have to create the wheel on this business. We need just to find a successful pages and just copy them and benefit from their experience and their content creation. So spying on competitors will be your first step in this field. After that, you will select a niche. So the second is niche selection. You will see, but in the first step, of course, you will see a lot of pages in multiple niches: babies, cars, recipes, gardening, and parenting, memes. So you need to select one niche that you will work on. You should select a niche that you will be comfortable working on it, and you will not be bored working on it. So the second step is selecting a niche, and you will need to prepare this structure to start your business. These account structures, you will need 5 Facebook profiles to put as admins. You should have all the informations of these accounts and should be clean, without previous strikes with Facebook, without violations, and should be clean. You can buy these profiles from a trusted seller if you have, and if you don't, I recommend you to use your family accounts, your brother or sister accounts, to put as admins on your page. You will need 2 Facebook accounts to be moderators. Those moderators will use to post, invite, and do all the work on pages. So these admins, we don't use them in actions on our page. It's just a backup, and you will need them when you want to link your payout account. So the admins does not touch anything on your page, only moderators work. And one account to launch ads. One profile account should be clean too, without previous strikes. Should be clean to use for launching ads. After that, you will use one of these admin accounts to create 3 pages around the selected niche. So you will create 3 pages. For the names, you just go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you pages names to use and create 3 pages. The tools you will need as a beginner, you will need a ChatGPT account. If you will work with the free version, you will have some problems. So maybe if you can pay the $20 a month for the ChatGPT account, will be more useful for you. And we will need a Midjourney account the $30 a month plan will be enough for the 3 pages to create images, and as we showed before in our video to create content, this is the tools you will need to start this business. And you will create content for 3 days on your pages, as we showed also in our videos, using the business meta suite to schedule the posts for 3 days. After that, you will go to Canva and create 4 creatives for each page. We show that in our videos too. You will prepare 4 different creatives for each page, which means 12 creatives to launch ads. The next step, you will launch ads starting with $5 a day. You will launch ads for each page, $5 for each page for 3 days. After that, you will analyze your creatives and shut down all the creatives that they bring you likes expensive, and keep only the cheap one. After that, you will increase your budget to $10 a day and keep it that way until you hit the 10,000 followers on your page. After that, you stop the ads on your page. You need to keep scheduling content, 24 posts a day, as we said before, 24 posts. The 3 pages, you will be able to work on these 3 pages by yourself. If this is a work of 3 or 4 hours a day. Just you need to focus on creating a high quality images and text for your pages to guarantee that the algorithm not put you with the very low quality pages, and they will decrease your reach. So you need to be attention and create very good quality content for your page. After that, and if you keep posting everything as we said here, you will receive the invitation in 30 days. There is no specific date to receive the invitation, but by our experience, it's between 30 days and 60 days. You will receive your invitation. Then you will create your payout account using one of these admins and link your pages to it. After that, you need to keep posting quality content, as we said before, and you will start generate money, and you will see that your content start making you money while you are sleeping. This is the structure for a beginner to start with. 3 pages, 24 posts a day. And when you make this machine work, you need to scale this business with more pages, and you need to hire another virtual assistant and give him 3 pages to run. And you keep doing this, 3 pages for each one, and to make good money doing this business. And if you do everything in this course and you follow these steps, I guarantee you that you will make more than $5,000 a month easily. And don't need that to mention that this business is a passive income for you, and they will keep generate money for you. And those pages, of course, they will keep growing, and you can use them by driving traffic outside to your website if you decided to do one, or to sell ebooks or anything you want, because any business online, the most important source in the working on online is the traffic source. So you can use these pages as a traffic source for any business you want. You can sell t-shirts, you can sell anything you want, of course, and you can keep doing money with interactions on your posts. That was all for the beginner side. And as an advanced, you will as an advanced and if you have a budget to start this business, of course, you will save more money by buying pages, not waiting for invitations. So as we did before, you need to spy on competitors and to select a niche also. The same structure as a beginner: 2 admins, 2 moderators, and 1 profile to launch ads. And you need to buy 3 pages, invited pages. There is many places where you can buy invited pages. There is people from India and Pakistan, sellers of these. I don't recommend anyone, but what I recommend is to use a middleman on the transaction to avoid to be scammed. The price of the pages is between $120 and $250 for the page. After you buy the pages, the tools that you need is ChatGPT account, Midjourney account, and ViewFeed account. ViewFeed, we explain it to how we use it to find viral content and to analyze pages. After that, you will need to set up your pages by changing names and cover photo and put in all the informations you need on your page. Of course, you need to put all the informations, the website, the email, anything they ask for you on your page, you should put it to have a good chance for your page to go viral and to make Facebook treat it very well. After setting up your page, you need to activate your invitation by linking your payout. You don't, as I mentioned before in our video, if you bought a page, you should not leave it without activating your invitation, because maybe you can lose it after that. So the first thing you need after setting your page is activating the invitation and linking it to your payout. After that, you need to create creatives for ads, 4 creatives for each page. After that, you need to launch ads, because when you buy pages, you buy it even with followers or with a small number of followers. For me, I buy it. My criteria to buy pages is to have less than 1,000 followers. I don't care what country from or anything. I just want the invitation all green with no strikes and less than 1,000 followers to make it easy for me to switch all the audience in just days. So you launch the ads, as we said before, 5 days a day for 3 days. After that, we increase our budget to 10 days a day, and we keep posting high quality content, 24 posts a day, and scaling with more pages with virtual assistants, of course. And if you want to work with automation, if you are an advanced, of course, you can create pages and put them on autopilot in the first place before they got the invitation. Put them on automation and set up scenarios to keep posting posts on these pages. And you can buy pages and do the 2 methods in the same time to save time and money, of course. because if you prepared your pages by yourself, it will be more helpful for you and you will save money, of course. So you can do the two methods at the same time. You can start by creating pages, put them on automation to post and launch ads for them, and buy pages, work with them to save time and start generating money as soon as it's possible, of course. This is the roadmap to start this business, and I assure you, if you did everything in this course and you respect every step in this course, I guarantee to you to make a huge number doing this business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next. Thank you.